Hello everyone, my name is Samet Ceylan and I will teach you creating calculator of exam score. Our exam will be an Erasmus exam. As you know, Erasmus exam has two stages. The first stage is interview and second stage is a test in English. Uh, so you lose one correct per four wrong answer in test. So your clear answer are multiplied by 0.5, then your interview score to your test score are added. That will be your total score, and if your score is lower than 50, you will fail. But if your score is higher than 50, you will be successful. And we will creating an application that work on this. So we can start it, and I'm clicking here, and I'm texting a name. The name is calculator of exam. Okay, and as you know, the screen is our design screen, and I'm adding a table arrangement, and I'm selecting the screen, and I'm arranging as a center for align horizontal. Okay, so I need to arrange the columns number and rows number. Columns is 2, it's okay for me, but the rows number has to change as 3. Okay, and I will add uh, our labels. The is uh, labels are our interview score and the correct answers, the and wrong answers. So I am adding here, I'm adding here, I'm adding here, and I'm changing the name. It's our interview level. It's our correct answer level. It's our wrong answer level. I'm sorry. Okay, and I'm changing text. It's interview. It's our correct, and it's our wrong. And I'm arranging font bold. Yeah. Uh, Now I am adding a text box for each level. Okay, and I'm arranging. Yeah, there is no any problem. Okay, now I will creating a button. The button is our calculate button. Calculate, and I'm changing to text. Calculate and font bold. Okay. Now uh, I will add a new table arrangement for statue and total score levels. Uh, but there will be invisible, and after I work my application, there will be visible in my app. So I'm adding new table arrangement, and columns is 2, rows is 2. It's okay for me. And I'm adding a new label. It's our label score, and I'm changing the text. I'm adding the new label. It's our just score, and I'm deleting it. Okay, and font bold. I'm adding new label. It's our statue. Uh, statue is failed or successful. To I'm sorry, statue level. Okay, I'm changing it. Statue font bold, and I'm adding. I'm sorry. 2 and 2. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Huh. Okay. I'm changing the name. Name of statue. Okay, and I'm deleting it. Okay. And I'm arranging invisible. So there is no anything. What I do? What should I do? And I can start writing our codes. So I'm clicking here, and we will create our codes, and I'm clicking variables, and I will add 5 variable for my app. 3, 4, and 5. Okay, this variable is our interview. This is our correct. This is our result of text test result. Okay, total score, and wrong. Okay, and I am adding 0 for each variable. Okay, our variables are ready, and I'm starting when I calculate button click do. I'm adding these variables and I'm related in the text box. So I'm clicking here. No, I'm adding this code and I'm selecting interview and I've forgotten the name of text boxes. So I'm going back. Text box 1 is our interview. Second one is our correct. Third one is our wrong. Okay. And I'm selecting this one. I'm changing as a text and I'm setting correct and I'm changing as a text. Again, I'm setting interview correct. Total score. No, total not total score. Not now. The wrong and I'm adding it and I'm changing as a text. So we will do the test result and I'm adding it and I'm changing the test result. And what's my test result? I divide the wrong ones by 4 and subtract it from the correct ones. And after that, I multiply by 0.5, as you know, and as I said, I am adding at this one and I'm adding the wrong and divide by 4. Okay, and subtract it from the correct ones. Okay, and I need to multiply by 0.5. For this, I am adding this code and I'm adding it and I'm writing 0.5. Okay, it's our test result and we will create the total score. For this, I'm adding total score label and I'm selecting it and I'm changing as a text and I'm adding a new process and I'm changing I'm selecting interview and test result. Okay. Uh, Now I am adding the if comment for I see my statue and my condition is if if my score is lower than 50, I will fail. But if my score is higher than 50, I will be successful. So I'm using this command and I'm adding, I'm duplicating it actually. Okay. And I'm changing it and I'm writing 50. If 50 is lower than it, if 50 is lower than it, I will be successful, as you know. Therefore, I'm adding statue label and I'm adding it. I'm changing as a text and I'm adding a new text and I'm changing it and I'm writing successful. Okay, and I'm clicking here for fail condition and I'm adding it. Okay, and if my score is lower than 50, so I will fail and I'm creating this condition set status label and as a text I'm adding a text box. It's failed. Okay, now I will add the visible comment for for what's for yeah for table arrangement 2. If I start the button, table arrangement 2 is visible and I need to add this true comment. Table arrangement 2 visible true. Okay, our application is ready. Thanks for watching me and have a good day.